Hello and welcome to another episode of It's About Everything. Today's episode is not about any DIY or how to, it's just about me and my channel. So, if you are looking for any DIY videos, then I will recommend clicking on the cards in the right corner and watch any of my other videos. Guys, I have been running this channel from April 6th of 2017, and since then I have seen a lot of ups and downs in this platform. If you could remember, April of 2017 was the month when YouTube changed its monetization policies. You must have at least 10,000 lifetime views in your channel to get your monetization enabled. However, my monetization was enabled when I created the channel. Don't know why, and it remained monetized till September of 2017 until YouTube noticed that. It was late at night at about 12:29 a.m. as far as I can remember of 21st September 2017 when I was checking my channel just before going to bed and found out that my monetization was disabled. A blue colored notification appeared in the Creator Studio which says in April we announced we'd stop showing ads on channels with fewer than 10,000 lifetime views. Due to a technical issue, you may have seen monetization icon in your Creator Studio. It's now fixed. Learn more. So this was the message, a notification that appeared in the Creator Studio. Although it was quite depressing, not only for me but for a lot of other creators as well, but still I kept on working. On 4th December of 2017, finally I reached 10,000 lifetime views and I had a hope that my monetization will be enabled. I waited for about a month, no sign of any monetization whatsoever. Then on 17th January 2019 I got another email from YouTube and I came to know that the monetization policy have changed yet again, and this was a huge blow to me. At that time I thought to quit YouTube, but there is this saying that motivated me: the tough gets going and the going gets tougher. So it was time for me to keep on going. Now, to get accepted to the YouTube partner program, you need to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. That time I had only 510 watch hours and about 100 subscribers, and I had a long way to go. It was clear why YouTube was making these strict rules, and I do support it. What I understand in my perspective is to prevent misuse of this platform, and so that genuine creators who are dedicated to provide valuable content can get a chance to grow without their content being copied or misused, causing a loss of their revenue. Although it took me about a year of hard work and dedication to get my monetization enabled, despite of having several dislikes and rude comments from some of my viewers, my channel finally went for review in the YouTube partner program on 16th January 2019, and after about 5 days, as far as I can remember, I got monetization enabled. During the review procedures I had 0 copyright strikes and 0 community guideline strikes. All my contents were 100% advertiser friendly, and I did got all green dollars, no yellow signs at all. My channel's growth is not that much, and all the top YouTubers suggest that a channel focused on a particular topic grows much faster than those channels with a diverse topic. Probably this might be the reason for my channel's slow growth. Even my channel's name is literally about everything. But as I see it, the channel is about DIY or how to type of content, and fixing things and repairing stuffs are one of my hobbies which I love doing, and probably this is why I kept on going, as I was having fun all the way. And the important thing here is having fun. In the end, when it comes to make a video, I follow my mind but do it with my heart. Even if I get less views, dislikes or rude comments, I don't care, but just keep on moving forward, because it doesn't matter how slow you go. As long as you keep moving forward, you are progressing, you are a doer. I wanted to share my thoughts about this for a long time, but didn't got a time to shoot the video today. It really felt good Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon with a DIY.